Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about YouTube automation with AI. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. YouTube automation has become popular for making money because it lets people earn income without working on their videos all the time. It's like setting things up to run by themselves. This way, creators can put up lots of videos quickly and reach more people. It saves time because tools help with tasks like finding good keywords, writing scripts, and editing videos. By keeping a steady flow of videos, channels can grow and get more subscribers. This trend makes it easier for more people to create content and make money on YouTube. Now let's start on signing up for ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT and why are we using it? ChatGPT is a clever program that uses artificial intelligence to understand and generate human-like text. We're using ChatGPT because it helps us with our YouTube videos. It can give us ideas for what to talk about in our videos and help us write the words we'll say. It's like having a smart friend who can help us think of things to share with our viewers. ChatGPT makes it easier to make our videos interesting and fun for people to watch, which is why we find it really useful for a YouTube channel. Now let's do a quick sign up process. So it is like creating an account on a website. It's a way for you to use the helpful AI tool. So you'll provide some basic information like your email and password. Then you might need to confirm your email by clicking a link they send you. After that, you can log into your new GPT account, and it's a bit like getting a membership to use a special tool that can help you with writing and other things. Now, once you're already in the platform, let's write in a message in here asking ChatGPT for a niche. So choosing a niche is like picking a special topic that you really enjoy and know a lot about. It's like deciding what your YouTube channel will be all about. A niche could be something you're passionate about, like cooking, fashion, or video games. So it is really important to choose a niche that interests you because then you'll have fun making videos about it. Plus, when you're excited about your niche, it can show in your videos and attract people who like the same things you do. So think about what makes you excited and curious, and that could be a great niche for your YouTube channel. So as you can see in here, ChatGPT has already generated some ideas to choose from. So let's choose this first one, which is travel and adventure. So we pick travel and adventure as our niche because we love exploring new places and sharing those experiences with others. Now let's copy that one out and let's ask ChatGPT in here for a title and a script to the YouTube niche that we've picked. Now in just a few minutes, it will generate a full script for your YouTube channel. So this process makes it a lot more easy and it is very helpful into creating a YouTube automation video. Now, since our script is ready, we have another tool in here that would be really helpful for our channel, which is LogoAI. LogoAI is a helpful online tool that makes logos, which are special images that represent something like a YouTube channel. We're using LogoAI to create a logo for our channel. It's like having an artist make a picture that shows what our channel is all about. We use Logo AI because it is quick and easy. We can type in our channel's name and choose some colors, and Logo AI gives us a different logo options to pick from. This way, our channel looks more professional and people can recognize it easily when they see our logo. So here's what we'll need to do in here. So as you can see, we have here the logo name. So we'll copy the one that was generated by ChatGPT, Wanderlust Chronicles. And then we'll also copy this description in here so that we could paste it here on Logo AI, exploring the world one adventure at a time. So right after, just click onto the blue button, which says continue. Now it will ask us what industry are we in. So since that is a travel video, click on travel and then we'll choose a color. So I think this one will suit our travel channel, so we'll choose that. And we'll also need to select a font style that you like. So let's click onto this one and just click on continue. Now it will generate logos for you. And onto this part, what we'll need to do is we'll just need to choose which one do you prefer and then we can download it. So I think this one is nice and it suits our channel. So we could have this one downloaded. Now let's head to the other platform that we're going to use, which is Pexel. Pexels is a really cool place on the internet where we can find pictures and videos that we're allowed to use for free. We're using Pexels because we need some nice looking videos to put in our YouTube videos. It's like having a big collection of pictures and videos that we can use without getting into trouble for using someone else's stuff. We can search for the kind of videos that we need and then download it, then use it on our own videos. Pixels help make our videos look good and interesting without worrying about copyrights or paying money. So you'll just simply need to choose the video that you want and then click on to download. Now let's introduce the other platform that we're going to use, which is Play HD. So this is a clever tool that helps us make voiceovers for our videos. A voiceover is like someone talking in the video without showing their face. We're using Play HD because it can make the voice sound like a real person talking. It's like having a virtual friend who can read out the words we want to say in our video. So we type in the words and Play HD turns them into a voice that we can use in our videos. This way, our videos sound better and more engaging even if we're not on camera. Now simply click on try for free to sign up for this platform. So once you've signed up, just paste and hear the script that you've generated from ChatGPT so that we could turn this one into a voiceover. So there are instances where you can add in a filter or you can also change in the voice and use for this recording. Then right after you can do a quick preview for this and then you could also regenerate if you did not like the outcome. And then once you're done and satisfied, just click on export to download the recording. Now let's introduce the other platform that we're gonna use. So this is an online video editor. So this is CAPOINT. It is a helpful online tool that makes it easy for us to edit videos. It's like a creative workshop where we can make our videos look awesome. We're using CAPOINT because it has cool features that let us add special effects, put different clips together, make our videos more interesting, and it's like having a magic wand that can help make our videos stand out. With CapWing, we can create videos that people will enjoy watching and that look professional, even if we're just starting out. So it helps us make our video look great without needing a lot of technical skills. Now let's try to create a sample onto this online video editor. So let's click onto this one, and this is what the dashboard would look like. CapWing provides various friendly tools for video editing. Their trimming and cutting features allow you to remove unwanted parts from your video, much like trimming excess paper from a project. You can also add in a text as simple as placing captions on an image, but on your video. Additionally, CapWing also allows you to insert images onto your videos, giving it a dynamic touch similar to pasting pictures on a poster. So these tools will empower you to create captivating videos without needing advanced technical skills, making video editing accessible and enjoyable for all. So you could also upload in here the videos that you have downloaded earlier from Pexels. And lastly, let's introduce the last platform, which is VidIQ. So this is a handy tool that will help us do better on YouTube. It's like having a guide that gives us advice on how to make our videos more popular. We're using vidIQ because it shows us which keywords to use, like picking the right words for secret code that help people find our videos. So it also tells us how strong the competition is, like knowing how many players are in game. With vidIQ, we can make our videos stand out and get more views, almost like getting a secret map to make our YouTube channel even better. If you're looking on how to grow your YouTube channel, this tool is perfect for you. Just click onto the link in the description box to start your journey in vidIQ for free. And there you have it. You've learned how to leverage AI tools like ChatGPT, PlayHD, LogoAI, and VidIQ to automate your YouTube channel and generate income. If you want more comprehensive guide, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable tutorials. And until next time, see you in the next video.